Did your Ram 1500's 4WD just refuse to kick in? You're not the only one. Here's what could be stopping it, and how to fix it. First things first. Check the basics. Make sure your truck is in park or neutral and your foot's on the brake. Sometimes, 4WD won't engage unless these conditions are met. Next, listen for clicking or grinding noises when you try to switch modes. If you hear anything strange, your actuator or transfer case might be to blame. Still nothing? It's time to look at the fuse box. A blown fuse can stop your 4WD system in its tracks. Check your owner's manual for the exact fuse location. Don't forget the obvious. Low battery power can mess with electronic 4WD systems. If your battery's weak, your truck might not respond. If you've checked all this and it's still not working, you might have a wiring issue or a bad electronic control module. These are best left to a trusted mechanic. So remember, check the basics, listen for noises, inspect fuses, and make sure your battery's strong. If you're still stuck, call in a pro. That's how you troubleshoot a Ram 1500 4WD that's not working. Stay safe and happy driving.